This step-through electric bike showcases its 350-watt motor that will give you smooth and hassle-free rides. Together with its 36-volt 10Ah battery, this e-bike can travel as far as 35 miles, leaving everything behind with confidence and style. The frame is made of steel and specifically designed to be in the shape of U, making it perfect for the elderly, short people, and specially for women in dresses. Enjoy the breeze of fresh air and splendid sceneries through the e-bike's on-demand throttle and pedal assist modes. You won't have to sweat a lot because this step-through electric bicycle features the Acera 7-speed Shimano gears that offer extensive selection of speed ratios for better and more comfortable pedaling.
Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.